This ever happened to you guys? Tired of every single time that you play basketball or any sort of sport, somebody comes and knocks your gutti loose and your juda goes all the way from park to neutral and it's loose for the rest of the day and you can't find it? Or are you tired of your embarrassing forehead showing right through your patka and it looks like you have 0% tint and no hairline? Or is it the classical white manager mad at you because you can't wear headgear? Introducing the Patka tutorial. That Patka for your head. I have no idea what that was. So today what we're going to be shooting is the Patka tutorial. Disclaimer, learn how to tie a Parna also. I'm telling you guys, if you're going to tie this, somebody's going to be like, oh my god, do-rag sing. Learn how to tie Parna, balance it out. There's a time and place for everything. Please don't wear this to the Gurdwara. Try your best to wear a Parna pag. Don't wear this to like family functions. I don't want to see, hey thanks Rishi, I learned how to tie this and you're at a wedding or engagement shoot with Patka on. Because trust me, I'm seeing it. I don't know why I'm seeing it. It's happening and we're putting an end to it. So tutorial is gonna be here or here. I don't know. It's gonna be here for the Parna, and this is gonna be for, you know, your tying sports, all that stuff that I mentioned in that one skip. But yeah, let's get started. A little bit of an outfit change. I mean, not outfit, turban change. I forgot to shoot what you need. So Dariala brush or whatever brush you want to use for your hair. Baj, as always, keep it. So you're gonna need a Patka. I'm gonna put the dimensions here on the screen. It depends on head shape, depends on your head size. Big head, more kapda. Small head, less kapda. We're gonna be starting with my hair open.
Come on baby, sit on a seat. Somebody singing, listen the beat.
It's all over the place. I need to wash it. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to do my juda, which is pretty sure I told you that in the last video. I'm just gonna get a Dadiala brush. I'm not gonna use a kangi because yeah, I'm gonna just brush this back. Pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna bunch this all up. Don't watch my hair fall. And we're gonna put one finger over here so we can loop this around. And we're gonna bring this through, but we're not gonna do the regular tighten it because we're trying to save our hairline and we want it to be a little bit flatter. So we're just gonna pull it slightly, and when we pull it slightly, I'm gonna palm it just to keep it flat. And then when we palm it, bring this around. If you're doing a sport and you're tying this for a sport, I'd say this you can tie a little bit tighter, but I'd say put a rubber band. But regular everyday use, you're going to the gym and everything, not gonna need that. So this is the sauce I'm gonna tell you guys. So we're gonna save our hairline because we don't want this to show in the sun. We're gonna fold it in half over here. Not in half, we're gonna fold just enough that it's gonna cover our forehead. Okay? And we're gonna bring this over here. And the reason why we do this is because when we're in the sunlight, then it's gonna show. So, and over here, similar to how we tie the Parna, we're gonna tie one gut in the back. Tie it nice and tight. And to avoid this whole parachute look at the back, you know how it's kind of all over the place? What I like to do is, trusty Baj again, is scenes pretty much over here before we do anything else. It's pretty rough. We're just gonna edit it now. But yeah, so we're gonna fold this and tuck this in. This gives you a better shape too if your head's super round like mine. It doesn't look as like your ganja underneath. We're gonna pull this material through the back. Ideally, your kapda should be longer than this. This Patka is just on its last life because I like to tuck it in the back. I don't like it like hanging and loose in my shirt or out of my shirt especially. So yeah, we're gonna take out a Baj and tuck this in, the extra cloth over here. Try to keep it equal because we wanna make it look clean, obviously, right? And then right over here, put your hair in, and yeah, this is super simple, guys. This is probably gonna be like a 5-minute video, but yeah, so everything's clean, everything's good. Just make sure your hair's in there. We're gonna double knot it at the end, and then yeah, pretty much good. You're pretty much set. Hopefully guys this helps you out. Hey guys, I forgot to shoot the outro, so I just wanted to say thanks for watching and more stuff to come obviously.
ਨੱਚਦਾ